we thought it couldn't get much better than last week, you know, in the derby win, and then this just eclipses it. It was fantastic from supporters, from the members behind the scenes as well, the board members, everybody. But yeah, and then ultimately the football players, every squad member today and throughout. 29 games ago, we got beat at home, and then to just put performances in week after week like they have done, and the belief and listen to the information, it's thoroughly deserved.
This football club deserves to be in the Welsh Prem, and I'm so happy that we've been able to get back there this season. You know, after the tough start, we've dug in there, stayed on the coattails of Airbus all season, and fair play to them. You know, they led the way for a long time. It brought the best out of us, and finally today we got over the line, so I'm absolutely made up.
O, mae wedi bod yn tymor special i ni. Ni oedd y rai o'r ffefrynnau mewn lawr eleni, efo efo'r bookies a pethau fel maen nhw'n gweud. So, ni wedi bod yn ffantastig. Ni wedi creu lot o ffrindiau, mae lot o clwbiau eraill yn gweud. Yn rhoi lot o clod i ni fel clwb, a ni wedi gwella safonau ni oddi ar y ca. So, fi'n bles yna, fi'n mor proud o'r clwb.
Be sydd wedi gael ni drosodd ydy commitment i hogiau gyd a'r management team. Chyda ni treino nos fawdd, treino nos iau, wneud y set plays, gweithio ar bob dim, gweithio ar y tîm da ni chwarae'n erbyn. Di bob tro di danos respect i'r tîm da ni chwarae'n erbyn. Mae'n mynd yn bell efo football, that you get out what you put in sort of thing, a da ni definitely wedi.
There's some big characters in this changing room, and when the going gets tough on pitches like this, and you press that in the ways, your Hollywell aways, you need big characters at big moments, and we've got that in this team. The tough moments, they know how to ride it out, and we did that exactly the same today.
Lle ni wedi rhedeg mas o stem tyma bach heddi, ond a colli Rhys yn 10 dyn yn erbyn Colwyn Bae yna fe. Mae'n anodd, ond ni'n meddwl bod ni wedi nisio ni cadw 3 yn y cefen, nisio ni wario diamond a cadw 2 lan top. So nisio ni dal creu ambell i cyfle, ond clwb heddiannol i Milan, a gobeithio nhw'n really dda yn y Cymru Prem.
The approach we're going to have is exactly like this year. We found different ways of winning games of football, like today, like then when we go and play on our home pitch, or then when we play on 4G. There's going to be different types of football that's going to have to get played. Learning from that, and then also ultimately putting forward a squad that's really competitive. That'll be experience and a blend of a bit of everything as well.
Colwyn Bae, ready now for the new challenge?
Well, we'll certainly find out, won't we? You know, we've got a big summer. We'll have to get super fit again like we were this season, and we're going to have a right good go at it and try and stay in the league.